Well, the day's come. I'm going to put the new Magneto on this Farmall A and get it running perfectly. And then, I don't know, figure out what I'm going to do with this here machine. I can store 7 tractors right now. And right now, that's how many I'm willing to maintain. Let's get this thing running. Missiles that go. All right, well, looks like a new mag to me. Excelente. H4 right hand, there you go. They're not super light, and that's upside down, but you get the gist. Most of you guys have dealt with this stuff. Some of you haven't. And by the way, for you new viewers, first time here on the channel, hit that subscribe button. Yes, it's free. Cost you nothing. So there you go. Good looking mag. Good looking mag, boy. Woo! Hey. IH. Yep, got your little pit there for your 3-in-1, or what are you guys using? Sewing machine oil. All right, it's time. I'm going to take out all the plugs, and I'm going to take off the Magneto, the old mag. Boy, I'll tell you, it's probably the original mag. I'm not saying nobody ever put a new coil in it or condenser or points. Usually when these things aren't working right, it's because of the points. But yeah, you can get in there with the files. Well, file them up, they're good as new. But no, good as new is new. So I'm going to take this off and go for broke. Set it at the #1 cylinder. My dad's supposed to be here. He's going to turn it with the hand crank. And then I'll just feel with my finger. You can do it by yourself. You can put tape over this and turn it with the fan. And wait till you hear air coming out. And go for broke. And then I'll show you how I set the #1 on the mag while it's off itself. So we got, okay, they got the #1 set here. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to set my #1 here, and then I'll go 1 3 4 2. So it goes clockwise, and that's the firing order. So this should go pretty easy. Once the mag is on there, all the plugs are put in. Wires obviously on. I'll try firing the tractor up. I'll keep these semi-tight, and then if it sounds the way I like, then I'll crank them all the way down the rest of the way. But if not, then I'll just slowly turn it one way or the other. And you either got an ear for it or you don't. So let's get her dismounted. All right. This off of here first. You know, since I've owned this tractor, it's always sat inside, sit inside, sit and slide. Don't really want to lose that. So, and that is 9/16. I just heard a noise. Now, I did end up pulling this #1 plug, and it wasn't fouled or anything, but it was definitely wet. So there you go. No spark. All right. Yep. Pretty crappy. I'm gonna clean that out. You're not gonna watch me do it, but yeah, clean as a whistle. Just smells like gas. All right, so as the new mag sits upright, I want this to be my #1, And the tractor doesn't know which one's number one other than the one you set. So I'm going to find top dead center on the first cylinder, and then I'm going to set, I've chose this one to be my number one wire. So now I'm going to take a plug, spark plug, and put in here, and then lay it on its side here like that, just like that. Thanks for cooperating. And I'm going to hand turn this until I get spark out of that. And that's going to be my number one. Yep. And what I'm going to do is just turn this until I see spark, and then I'm set on that wire. All right. Well, I'm sick of waiting on Dad, so I'm going to crank this over myself and find the number one. Nope. Wait a minute. Right. Nope. Oh, there we go. Hang on. There, we're set on the number one. And I got grease all over my pants. I'll have to keep that in mind. So yeah, we're set on the number one. Hang on. Okay. All right, not that I can't crank start this tractor, but I should have put this on charge overnight. You find number one on the tractor, you find what you want to be number one on the Magneto. And you do that by turning this to the right.
Right, exactly.
And then you hook a spark plug to one of the wires.
Yeah.
And you turn it to the right. Now, having said that, here's another rebuilt Magneto, okay? I can't turn it to the right. I can't turn it. And I don't know if there's a release. I mean, it ain't turning. It'll turn to the left, but it ain't turning to the right.
It'll turn to the left?
Yeah. All right, this is the old mag. I can hand turn it to the right, okay? So as you look at the A, it would turn to the left. Turning this to the right would turn that to the left. All right. Now I come over to the new, one of the new ones, okay? Can't turn it to the right. Can turn it to the left. Can't turn it to the right. Can turn it to the left. Well, stupid continues. I've got brand new mag. This is a right hand mag, which is correct for a gas Farmall A. When I bought this tractor, it didn't have the serial plate on it, and the guy finally found it and gave it to me. I found out the tractor's a 47. Okay. Then when we came over here, we see that is a letter O. So this would be August 4th O, which is 1945. Now, is it entirely possible that a 1945 engine got put on a 47? Yes. Is it entirely possible that somebody put a different engine on this over the years? Yes. Now, here's the thing. Okay, this is the old mag. Took this off of here. And when you crank that, it turns as you're sitting in the seat counterclockwise, or what I would call to the left, okay? So this turns to the right, okay? When I come up to the new one, even though they're calling this a right hand, this turns to the left. This is the new one, okay? Only. You cannot turn this to the right. This one turns to the right because that's what it needs to do to match that. This one only turns to the left. So I am wondering if somebody, somewhere along the way, didn't rig this up and just throw parts on it and make it work. I mean, it's one nightmare after another. And if you buy one, if you go, let's say you go to Brillman, go look on Brillman for an H4 Magneto, left hand. He'll tell you flat out that's for a diesel. That's a say a Farmall, maybe a Farmall MD gas start and then runs on diesel. I mean, this is correct for this. This one is not. This one, in theory, should be for a diesel. I mean, turns to the right, which I guess makes it a left hand. I don't know. Highly frustrating. Highly, especially the price you pay for some of this stuff. It's like, it's nuts. So yeah, it's got the ear clippy things in there. I think you're going to be able to see those right there. Right. Yeah, there we go. See, and then it catches right there. But if you bring it around the other way, it slides right on past. Yep. That's what it'd be doing. So as you're sitting in the seat, this would need to turn that way. But I can hand crank it. And you see which way it turns. There you go. That's conundrum I'm in right now. Right hand, left hand.